right, folks, Tony, it's time to literally shake things up. Outstanding, wonderful, amazing.
You're missing at least one word.
Fantastic.
Samarone. Like the cadencing never right. Something was off.
And I...
Never reals.
Peter meters.
Yeah.
To different parts of our bodies. Well, right here, it is right here. And
compete
to see who can rack up the most steps in just 1 minute of shaking. We play 3 rounds, and for each round we'll pick a pedometer placement and a song from these 2 bowls right here.
That's only 1 bowl still?
There's 1 bowl. So and we will record the steps. All right.
Wait, so if we're shaking, how is it recording steps?
It's going to record it.
This record step?
Yeah.
Wait, say lie.
Yeah.
Reset it.
It's not moving, and I press in reset. Press and hold. Gone back to 0. What mine is?
It not even turn on. Go on.
All right.
So why are we shaking and not stepping?
So we're shaking together.
No, you first. Yes?
Shaking
I knew that.
Together. This say up here, Happy by Pharrell Williams.
So we must just shake. So why we don't step it?
Not that if I hear it. Yeah. I got 14.
No.
How much we got?
Why is this stupid? Okay, guys. Can't be a full minute. Right now, we're tired. Stop.
But you're still there 14.
Stop. That thing not working.
Well, me tired. How much we got? Where you gone? You're running. You're supposed to be shaking.
It's not moving if I shake.
What's that? Yeah. Trudy, shut up. How much we got? Look now.
5.
Me gone 5? You got 130. Serious? What me there with you?
5.
Mine now work.
What does mine say?
137.
But you is a 5.
So all that jumping up and down.
Trudy.
God, no.
Something wrong with mine.
Send help and send water.
Something wrong with mine.
No, you are just not shaking properly. You have to make it register, so you have to move your body violently.
Oh, so it's 5 miles gone.
So almost stepping a 5 miles.
That's impossible. You had a minute. There's no way. There's no way. You think I was joking?
No, it's on step.
So what was the time before?
I did 5
You
miles.
did on step. No, you did 5 steps. So that's what I'm asking, is that...
Put it on the belt. Jump in line by
Wait a minute.
Harry Belafonte.
Ask you a question. Why are we shaking and not stepping?
You notice I'm not even breathing hard and she can't hardly talk.
Because
For
I
laughs.
did
For a laugh.
5 into 135. I did 20 plus times the steps you
I did 5 miles.
You did 5
did
steps.
132, 37
No, it's
steps.
on steps. You can't do 5 miles in a
I just put it
minute.
on steps a while
You
ago.
cannot do 5 miles in a minute unless you're Usain Bolt, grandfather, cousin, uncle, friend.
I am
Huh?
belt. Put it on the belt. Put it on your belt.
On my belt?
Yes.
And then shake or step?
Shake, jump in line by Harry Belafonte.
Jump in the line, rock your body on time. Okay, I believe you. Jump in the line, rock your body on time. Okay, I believe you.
Don't help him, Joe.
Rock your body on time.
Don't help him.
I believe you. Jump in the line.
He is stepping. Oh, now you want to step. Okay.
How much I got now? Make sure it works.
Sinora.
Shake your body
Oh,
like
my belt, how much?
Shake, Sinora.
See?
Shake it up.
55. Now I step in.
And then you tap.
Work your body like work, Sinora.
How much I got? Look at this.
I know, don't get off my bed.
Talk about cha-cha, tango. Also the rumba.
You're really running up. This is a...
Saddle, hold on to the bride.
Put that Put that
Okay, I believe you. Jump in the line. Rock your body. Rock your body.
140.
Jump in the line. Rock your body. Somebody help me. Jump in the line. Rock your body.
No, Ja. No, man. What you say?
125.
177.
What mean it stop 2 times?
Soji, does this... What Johnny say?
That are mine in your business.
Correct. No. Miss Susie, can we please get some water? Thanks so much. No, man. I mean, I consider myself a fit person. Miss Susie, will you give me hot water? Hot water and my tea. Thanks. Thank you, Swandy. Wait a minute. Wait, more again?
Me done.
Reset.
No, one more.
No, Landa.
It's a back pocket now. Whew.
Wait. Back pocket.
Yeah.
Nobody in here has our best interest at heart.
Oh.
Everybody just
I did say
coaching.
125, but it's 132. I did.
But I did 177.
I know. You win.
I mean, I forgot no gym after the record. Huh? What is now? Jesus, no. No! Tina Turner. Proud Mary. You know that tune? You know, Tina was a stepper. You
notice
reset?
I'm not even breathing.
Let me see if you reset.
Of course I reset. I'm not even breathing hard though.
Yeah? Yeah. So let's touch you down. City, working on your night every night and day. Big wind keep on turning, primary keep on burning. Hey, 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 going on the way you are. One time.
That work.
I need to call this work.
Show me stop.
Come on, Tina. I'm tired.
I'm tired.
Come. Let's. 3, 2,
We're done.
1.
How much?
How much you got?
133.
201. No, I'm not.
Jody,
Shut
up.
My heart rate is up at least. Wait, let me check my heart rate.
Oh,
No.
come.
No, I'm good down here. Heart rate. No, I'm good.
You can't see it.
No, I have to stay here for now. Thanks.
Notice again, I'm not even breathing hard.
Where's my heart rate?
Eh?
Can't average.
Well,
That's why I won. My heart rate is at 136. Coming down from at least 150, I'm sure. Or 160. Rolling on a river.
we're too tired for talk.
Never you of the old.
That's it for something
Okay.
to smile about. All right, folks, when we come back, we try to figure out our ultimate hurricane season comforts, whatever that means. Stay with us, please. Don't come.